Kia ora, g'day, bonjour, hi, I'm Michaela and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to make a cookie, a 3-ingredient cookie. It's that time of the year where cookies must be eaten. This is free of refined sugars and flour. It's made with almond flour. I've got a little bit of almond milk and maple syrup, which I'm going to pour in, and I'm taking some vanilla. That's it. So very simple, very easy. Remember, they won't spread because there's no flour in them, so you can put them close together. You're just going to mix it all together till it's all nice and combined. And we're just going to make that maple syrup smells good. All right, and then all you do is you roll them into balls and put them in on your cookie tray, and then I'll just flatten them a little bit. Okay, there we go. Then we're going to cook them in the oven. Now, if you want, you could put a chocolate chip on the top of them. I'm just going to keep them plain. I'm just going to take my fork and just squish it down a little bit like this. And it'll leave a little imprint from the fork. I'm going to finish doing this. I'm going to put them in the oven to cook, and I'll come back and show you what they look like. Okay, I'm back. I've done the cookies, and I have a confession to make. I made this recipe twice, and it didn't work both times. And then I realized I was using coconut flour instead of almond flour because they're both in my fridge in the same container, and they look almost identical. So, lesson learned. Check your flours before you use them. So this time it worked well. Okay, as you can see, I've got the cookies, and they're not going to brown a lot. They've browned on the bottom. Okay, they smell amazing. They're going to be soft inside. Delicious. So there you have it. 4-ingredient, can't get easier. Almond cookie with almond flour. Enjoy!